we want to connect with the various research bodies or professional associations. So we need to connect with your domain-based research workers, and you need to connect with them properly as a potential collaborator and mentor. And it has to be have a proper follow to maintain a relationship through mails and social interaction. And we need to offer value to that. We need to share proper knowledge and support for others' work. Now, I will come to the various case studies I have taken with respect to case studies related to research collaboration and network, with respect to industry, with respect to academia and institution. In that way, I have taken various case studies for you. So this will really help out to understand what kind of collaboration, how it can be established. For an example, Indian Institute of Science Bangalore is connecting with the industrial collaboration with TCS. So IISc and TCS is having a collaboration with them. They are working on the project focus area for development of AI and machine learning algorithm for data analytics. So this is their project focus. The outcome is very clear. They are in the process of creation of innovative solution for real-time data processing by using TCS service offering. There are a lot of papers were published, and collaboration resulted in a dedicated research center at IISc Bangalore. Okay, it's very clear. There is a clear-cut takeaway. If we have a tie-up with the industry and academia for the future generation technical societal problem that can be resolved by using this kind of case study. One. And case study 2 talks about very clear. India National Institute of Fashion Technology and NGOs are having tie-up with that. This is a second case study on research collaboration. Their collaborative partners are NIFT and multiple NGOs working with the sustainable fashion. So how this fashion industry is going to be adapting some promotion and sustainable practices. So through workshop and research, students are collaborated with the NGO. They are developing eco-friendly textile products for the sustainable development. So you see, this is a very clear. This collaborative project can create social impact with enriching academic learning. This is what done by NIFT and NGO. Okay. And third case study, Indian Council of Medical Research, ICMR, and GHO. That means Global Health Organization. This is for a cause and purpose. So they are collaborating with WHO and ICMR and with various international universities. It's very clear related to COVID-19 response and vaccine development. That outcome is very much useful to the society. The collaborative research, it's led to the rapid development deployment of vaccines in India. They share the data and expertise among institutions to improve the public health strategies and responses. This is also another case study or research collaboration. And now I will come to in Tamil Nadu, what are all the case studies occurring with this? Like for example, CSIR, Central Mechanical Engineering Research Institute and startup. They have the startups with people, those who are interested to start a new company for some having a unique purpose and cause. So they are working with the process of development of a new innovative technology solutions for renewable energy. For renewable energy, they want to develop a new product. For that, they want to have a start. They work with the new startup companies, and they are able to lead to practical applications on research and local economy, how it can be the research. And it comes to the institutions like University of Delhi. University of Delhi and International Research Institution, they are collaborating for in Europe and US. How it is getting collaborated? They are working for a project called climate change and environmental sustainability on research. This is the booming research area. For that, the academic institution like University of Delhi and international research institutions are working for the cause of analyzing the climate change and what kind of optimum results can be proposed. For that, they are working on it. And another case study is like Anna University, Chennai. They have a connect with the industry like Bosch and local industries for the purpose of smart manufacturing and automation technology. So now we are all moving towards automation. Whatever the sector, we are talking about automation. The smart manufacturing and automation helps for Industry 4.0, where students can participate in the real-time project, and that leads to innovations on local manufacturing process. It really can bridge the gap between the theory and practice, which is taught in the academic and the industry. They are working with the industry, and whatever the taught in academic environment, it's getting connected. It really bridges the gap. For a purpose of real local real-time manufacturing, they have developed a product. So this is what happening with. And likewise, Anna University, now IIT Madras and the new companies like new startups have developed a product, and they have developed their incubation cell and various technology startups. It focuses on renewable energy, which is the niche area where government of India is working in. What are the renewable sources and energy which need to be upgraded and worked out for the future perspective? For that, AI intelligence and renewable energy, how it can be developed. So they are working on it. This is with IIT Madras and other startups. And even Tamil Nadu Agricultural University, Coimbatore, they are connecting with international research institutions for the purpose of agricultural practice and crop improvement, food science and chemistry, in that sustainable agriculture practice and crop development. So in this, like this societal issues, people have started working on it. Academic institution, and whenever we are formulating any research problem that need to address the societal issues, then ultimately it will get more citation. That collaboration will be and we will be looking to the very good research facility among the peer and among the world. Likewise, VIT, Vellore Institute of Technology, is connected with various government and NGOs for the development of skill development and community engagement. You can see here, now this government is talking about Digital India and Skill India. All these activities are started as a research collaboration by VIT and government institutions, government NGOs. So VIT has done effective effort on developing the programs like Digital India and Skill India. You can think about this. And as like Ramachandra Institute of Higher Education and Research, they are all collaborating with hospitals and international medical research centers. So the result is very clear. 1 minute. Hello? 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 One minute. No issues, no issues. Now I'm going to complete now. Yeah. Yeah. To sum up, this is the thing. While we collaborating on research project, we have to get in your mind like identify the common interest, leverage the complementary skills, clear roles and responsibilities, and what are all the set communication guidelines. And you need to work on data sharing and tool and co-author papers. These are all the things we need to have in our mind when we talk about collaborating on research projects. For networking for research, we have to attend conference and webinars, and we need to make use of academic social network, and we have to join social research groups, collaborative platforms, and we have to have a tie-up with research funding networks. Okay. And to conclude here, the collaborating on research project and networking are critical for the growth of innovation again, and it enhances the research quality and reach. Effective networking is essential for building a fruitful relationship for the common cause. Okay, with this I will conclude. Now I will open this forum for a question. Do you have any questions? You can ask me right now.
Good evening, sir. This is Dr. Satvik S. Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, you are audible, sir. Very much audible. Please.
Yes. In order to collaborate with the research agencies and institutions, whether is there any criteria, sir, for funding pattern and all? Like if I am an academician, as an academician, can I join with the institutes or organizations like where they are supporting in terms of funding pattern? Is there any criteria for selecting the proposal, research proposal?
Yeah. So it's actually again in which domain you are working with. You are working in a social science platform, or you are working with a science
Social
stream.
sciences.
Yeah, then you can be connecting. For example, ICSR is a funding agency where you can connect with, and you can have a lot of idea with them. And every year they will be sharing the what are all the research proposals are invited on various themes. Every year they have set up a theme and they are sharing with the proposals to you. So you can share with their proposals, and based on the novelty and originality, what kind of research outcome you are bringing in, your project can be sanctioned. For that, you can collaborate with universities or industries. If they are okay and they are ready to collaborate with you, you can go ahead with that. There is a criteria like you can, some of the proposals they are inviting, you can connect with the industry. Some of the proposals they are given a criteria, you can connect with the institution, academic institution or higher education institution. In that sense, what is the proposal they are expecting, that was clearly mentioned in the funding body and funding agencies. By using that, you can go ahead with.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your
Thank you.
insights, valuable insights.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. Other question? Any other question, please?
Sir,
Any
I
other
have
question?
one more question. I
Yes,
have
sir.
one more question. My
Please.
area of interest falls in the area of corporate finance, like how exactly the companies will be financing. So, in
Yeah.
this area, can I expect the proposals or a policy making opportunity for
Yeah.
funding patterns of the companies?
Correct, sir. Actually, even if you take Ministry of Finance, there are a lot of proposals they are expecting, sir. Every year, we are able to find a lot of proposals from ICF for Indian Council of Financing Rules and all. We are able to find a lot of proposals they're expecting. Even from RBI, we can expect, we are able to see the proposals various for various objectives. So you can apply through your institution as well as through your, as an individual also you can apply. They are giving a good fund and grants for you to take a project. So that also you can go ahead with.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, sure. Any other questions?
Sir, on obligation, if it's
Yes,
possible to
ma'am.
show some IRNS ID creation methods, sir.
Yeah, ma'am. That is also that I have opened. 1 minute. I'll show this. Yeah. So this is the platform. Actually, as an academician, as a research scholars, we should aware of. We should have our own research uh, visibility platform called Indian Research and Information Network. You can see here, this is the IRNS profile which is created on my name. I have done that. And here I have given all my publications information here. And what is the research impact I have created through Scopus, through Google Scholar, and what are the network I have created among my research publications. You can see here the co-author network which is available, and I have done collaboration with various people with the various institutions, that is also there. What is the expertise area, and what are all the qualifications, and what are the rewards and awards I have received, in which professional bodies I am lying with, and what are the committees I have, and what are all the publications done by me. All these will be listed in a platform called Indian Research and Information System. And moreover, this information IRINS information network system has a connectivity to this academic identity such as ORC ID, Open Research Contributor ID, Scopus ID, Researcher ID, and Google Scholar ID. All these IDs are very much important for the research scholar and academicians. Why? Because this creates more visibility to you and what kind of research you are doing, whether it is impacted to the society or not, and to whom you are collaborating with. All these can be searched through this kind of academic social networking platforms. Right now, you are weaving to Google Scholar profile. So what are the publications done by me? What are the research areas or familiarized and expertise by me? All these are listing out. And what is the contribution throughout my experience and throughout my collaboration that is available? And what kind of citations? What is the H index? What's the item index? Who are all my collaborative authors? All are listing out here. And even we can have IDs with Google Scholar, Web of Science. Even you can see here Web of Science researcher ID is also there. We can see what kind of impact we have created on our domain through this Web of Science researcher publication. and Scopus ID. This is regarding the Scopus ID, how much I have created and what is the visibility. By searching by name and research area, this clearly gives a very good visibility to me in which area I am strong in and what kind of connectivity I have to do. And topping to that, this ORC ID, Open Researcher Contributor ID, is important ID, is like a unit that paves the way for all the researcher to connect with all your peer network and peer group, and who are all having a different expertise, different research expertise, all can be connected, and you may be publishing your research work with various affiliations. All these will be connected and you can bring it in a single platform. It is like connecting all your research work in a single umbrella, and all your publications which may be done with various journals, all these can be grouped together in a single umbrella like this. So people, those who have not created all these essential ID, it is a right time. Kindly do create on Google Scholar ID, Scopus ID, Researcher ID, and topping to this ORC ID, Open Researcher Contributor ID. This is very much important. That creates more visibility to you, and that gives a very good research to all the researcher. Okay, that I forgot to tell you now. That also I tell. Okay, it's fine, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah. Any other doubts, please, you can ask now. Actually, some of your faculties are asking about how can start with IRNS. Actually, your librarian can do that. Your librarian can connect all your IDs and all your profile expertise area in Excel sheet, and that can be shared with the InflipNet team, and they will be doing it. So nothing to worry. The only thing is we need a collaborative work on collecting all your data. That will be done by your librarian. So kindly connect with your librarian and she will do that. Okay. Yeah, please.
Hey, you can suggest any academic social media platforms?
Sorry, so LinkedIn Learning you can follow, Guneshekar. LinkedIn Learning and Facebook author page and skill pages can be followed.
Yeah, okay, sir. Yeah,
Okay.
new updated social network sites.
Yeah, correct. This you can follow now. LinkedIn Learning, yeah, and Facebook author page and skill pages can be followed.
Yeah, okay, sir. Any other platforms, sir?
There are some other platforms can be used, but this is the basic platforms which I can tell you. I can share the list. What are all the other networking platforms such as Academic DDU and all that I can share.
Yeah, okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, done. One more doubt, I think, ma'am. Is there any doubt? So much for providing this opportunity, and I can connect with all you people. I can share some of my insight about what is research collaboration and how you have to connect with all your research peer group. Thank you so much. Thank the management and the organization secretary for giving this opportunity. Thanks a lot.